Hello, today I will show how to install IIS web server in Windows 10. So IIS is a web server where you can host a website. How you can install a IIS web server in Windows 10? Let's see. So in search, first write control panel, click on control panel and then click on programs and then click on turn on Windows feature and just maximize this one and hit IIS Internet Information Service. This is it is. Now for our case I don't need FTP server, so I just click here. I need web management tools, yes. I need World Wide Web Service, so yes, it is turned on. And do I need IIS6? No, I don't need IIS6. I need IIS management service. That's it, I believe. And now what you need to do, after select the Internet Information Service, click OK, and it will take some times. So yes, it is completed. Now close this one. If you open up any browser and then write down local host, don't need any port address, it will show you the IIS mainframe. And now where your IIS has been installed, if you want to see, click on any folder and then click on go to C drive and then initpub. Under www roots it has its IIS settings. So if you click from here, the same page, look, the local host and the file address is same. Now where the IIS is, if you want to manage your website and everything, right click IIS in search, it will show you Internet Information Service Manager. Click on here and you will find your application pool and your default website. So this is the default website by the IIS, and if you click browse here, you can also see the same local host. So this is how easy to install the IIS. I believe it will help you. Thanks for watching.